Our project title is Development of an Efficient Energy Storage System to integrate intermediate renewable energy source and to support the grid. A schematic of its operating principle is shown here. The operation of liquid air energy storage system comprises charge, storage and discharge. During charge, ambient air is first purified, compressed using excess renewable electricity, and finally cooled down to reach liquid phase, and liquid air is stored in liquid air storage tank. The heat emitted during the compression process is stored in heat storage tank. During the discharge process, the liquid air is pumped and evaporated, converting it back to gaseous air. The cold energy emitted during the evaporation process is stored in cold storage tank and reused during the liquefaction process in the charging phase. And also the heat recovered from the compression process is used during the discharge phase, and heated air is expanded through a multi-stage turbine to generate electricity, which is fed to the utility grid. The graph represents the electricity demand over the day. At the morning time, the electricity demand is minimum, but at the night time, the electricity demand is higher. To fulfill that demand, we can store electricity when demand is minimum and provide electricity when demand is higher. Traditional energy storage solution like lithium-ion batteries faces significant challenges. They suffer from limited lifespan, leading to performance degradation and higher maintenance cost over time. Additionally, the use of hazardous materials such as lithium and cobalt raises environmental concerns, complicating efforts to achieve carbon neutrality. Liquid air energy storage system is an ultra-flexible and long mechanical energy storage technology.
The entire process makes use of only clean air and does not burn any polluting fossil fuels, making the liquid air energy storage system is a sustainable and clean energy storage technology that benefits everyone.